This is the video for Caesar's Gallic War,
Book 1, Chapter 4.
Et a res enunciata est. I don't know why Caesar separates these two parts of the same verb, but it's a perfect passive verb. Helvetiis, this is a dative indirect object. Per indicium, there is a note. Coegerunt or getorigem to dicere causam ex vinculis and moribus suis. We could put this at the beginning too, which is where Caesar puts it. Anyway, it's an ablative of accordance, which I honestly have never seen except for in this situation, I don't think. So you could just translate it like according to suis moribus. Okay. Oportebat, which is
An impersonal verb.
yeah. Sequi poenam, or poenam sequi. Damnatum. There's a note on this also. Here we go. Okay. Die constituta, which is a perfect passive participle, and this whole phrase is an ablative time when. So on the die constituta of causae dictionis or getorix. So if I'm looking here, I don't see any verbs for kind of a while. I'm looking for a third person singular, and there is one. So orgetorix coeget undique ad judicium omnem suam familiam ad, and there's a note on that, which means toward or about. Toward decem milia hominum, which is a genitive part of the whole. Et, and then if I keep looking for a verb, now this is a relative clause, so nothing in here counts, but here's a verb. Okay, so et, he conducts it. Omnes clientes obiratosque suos. Magnum numerum quorum, or quorum magnum numerum. This means of which. So, magnum numerum of which. Habebat. He conducts it et odem. Per eos eripuit se nay, so that, this is a negative purpose clause, so that he not diceret causam. Cum, when the civitas incitata, perfect passive participle, ob et amrem. So, cum civitas, this describes civitas conerator to exequi. This is an infinitive for a deponent verb. Use suum, armis, by means of. Que magistratus, which is plural, cogerent, multitudinem hominum ex agris, or getorix mortuus est. Neque abes suspicio. There's a note on this which says, nor was the suspicion lacking. So, neque, nor.
Abest, was it lacking for suspicion?
Or nor was suspicio, like absent.
Ut, as helvetii arbitranter,
which is a deponent verb. That, quin is a weird word that just means that with like a
not clause.
A negative clause. That ipse consciuerit mortem sibi, which means commit suicide.